The Miss Universe Philippines 2024 had made a lot of people upset. It is because the people's candidate, such as Alexi Brooks and Atisha Manalo, did not get the crown. Or the Miss Universe crown, let's say it that way. Bago natin balikan ang lineup ng top 5, tingnan natin sandali ang mga challenge ng Miss Universe candidates bago sila sumalang sa Coronation Night. Tingnan natin sandali ang kanilang mga pre-pageant activity. Let's start with the bathing suit competition. Atisha Manalo and Alexi Brooks was on the top 5. And then they have what they call up close and personal. This is like an interview portion. Atisha Manalo, Alexi Brooks, and Christy McGrory was on the top 5. And then there is the runway challenge. Again, Atisha Manalo and Alexi Brooks was on the top 5. But the question on this challenge is, or was, this challenges was actually sponsored by the advertising company, the company that supports the Miss Universe pageant. So the judges has nothing to do with it. And you would see Chelsea Manalo very rarely goes on the top 5 in any of the challenges. And the Miss Universe Philippines 2024 winner is, of course, the young, beautiful Afro-Filipina Chelsea Manalo.